What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Marlon Deshaun back with another video for y'all today. Today we got something different, you know what I'm saying? Long story short, I was into RC cars a long time ago. And I got off into mini biking. And everything I laid my hands on had some horsepower behind it, you know what I'm saying? You see the video. But anyways, man, I came across a video of some guys racing drag RCs. Now I didn't know like RC cars was back and popping like they are right now. I literally bought the last Traxxas Slash at the store. You know what I'm saying? They had none whatsoever. I got the last set of Hoosers. See that? I got the last set in the store. So that goes to tell you that this sport is popping right now. So it's my job to come to YouTube to show y'all this build. So what we're gonna be doing is, man, we're gonna have we're gonna do a slash build. We're gonna do a slash drag build. Now, I'm not gonna be the only one on here. My little brother got one. He's ordering one. He's actually waiting on it to come. And I just got ordered my son one. So it's going to be 3 cars coming out of this build series. It just so happened I'm the first one with a car. So I'm the first one to make the video. With that being said, we're going to get into this unboxing. We're going to unbox this car. We're going to look it over. It's been a long time since I had an RC car. A long time. When he was telling me these parts that I need, it was like a fucking foreign language. So, to be honest with y'all, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. This is not like mini biking. This is not like drag cars. This shit is different from... And then plus, back in the days, I used to have nitro RC cars. I never dealt with electric. So, like I said, we're going to learn together. We're going to get shit done. And that's pretty much it. So, we're going to get straight into the unboxing of this. Alright, YouTube. First thing first, man. What we're going to do is, man, we're going to go through these parts. And then we're going to get to the slash unboxing. We're going to do that last. We're going to go through this. I'm pretty sure there's plenty unboxing videos of this car. But this is different. You know what I'm saying? This is me. You know what I'm saying? So chill. Sit back. Grab you some popcorn or something. And you know what I'm saying? Watch me. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, to be honest with y'all, these parts, these parts, let me cover up the spot name that I went to because they ain't sponsoring me. These parts, I think these are, man, it's crazy. I don't even know. Oh, these are caster blocks. These are the bandit caster blocks to bring the front end in. So we got those. And these are basically just parts that I was grabbing because he had them on my part list. And I didn't want to, because I actually got to order a shitload of shit from either J Concept or Proline Racing. So really, I only have a few chassis components. I don't even have the LCG chassis conversion kit. I haven't even bought that yet. So I'm still waiting to order that today. Here is... we got the axles for the front bandit, for a bandit. So like I said before, that's going to bring the front end in so it can have the drag stands or whatever. Because I told y'all, I'm going all in on this build. Like, I literally want this truck, this car, to ring bells. Like, I want this, like, hey, listen, that dude Deshaun got a badass car. So that's what I'm aiming for right there, you know what I'm saying? With that, this is, let's see. Come on, focus, camera. Stupid. No, focus. Oh, wait, there you go. This is the, what's this? These are the suspension arms for the Bandit. No, is it for the Bandit? No, it's not for the Bandit. They just are shorter suspension arms. So we got those, and I have these. I have to order one more of these that he didn't have in stock. But these here are the turnbuckles. I have the turnbuckles, the shoulder turnbuckles. Like I said, yeah, I got a 47 millimeter and a 55. I believe I got to get a 54, which he didn't have in stock. And last out of the parts before we get to the slasher, y'all know I couldn't leave these. Y'all know I couldn't leave them. You know what I'm saying? I got the Hollister slicks. He didn't have the front tires or the front rims at all. So like I said, this sport is really popping right now, and parts is hard to find. You know what I'm saying? Parts is very hard to find. So with that being said, man, let's get right into it. Gotcha. Yeah, so this whole package was $229. I paid $230 for it. I actually was contemplating. I actually had bidded on a few, and I actually was going to pick up one of these today, used. I have the tendency of buying shit off the internet, just because I see the title and I forget to read the description of shit. And I almost bought a used one today. Fairly good shape. The car was in perfect condition, but he said that the fucker didn't have no controller, no battery. So I'm like, dude, if it ain't got no controller or no battery, how do I know that does it run? You know what I'm saying? So I put the extra duckies together and I got it brand new, baby. Brand new out the box. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's see how we do. This has been a while since I opened up anything this big, bro. I swear. Alright. What we got? First thing first, controller. Now, to be honest with y'all, like I said, I've been out of mini biking so long. I've been out of mini biking so long that the last RC car I had was a I can't pronounce the name. I'm gonna put the name on the screen, but it started with a T. I think it's like Tamaya or to whatever. But I think it was like a Chinese brand or whatever. I found it in my grandmother's attic, and I rebuilt it and everything from scratch. And that one had the controller that's kind of shaped like a fucking Xbox controller or whatever. Dude tried to sell me one of these back in the days. I turned it down because, like I said, I didn't like this shit here. So this is gonna be something to get used to, unless I can find like an airplane one or whatever, and so you can program it to that. But that's that controller, crispy, brand new, first hands on it, baby. Next, got this piece of plastic. Throw that in the garbage. Alright, so here comes the let me move that back a little bit. Straighten the camera up. Alright, so here goes the truck. Pull it out. Woohoo, baby! Yeah! We got anything else in here? I be having to check boxes because, man, I'm known for throwing shit away, bro. I promise you. Alright, so before we get in the car, before we check the car out or whatever, we're gonna check out what comes in the ready to run thing. Let's see. Alright, so first and foremost, we got this what is this? Auto battery identification. Power distribution. Oh, okay, so I'm assuming you can fucking program the cars from your phone. Like I said, RC have changed since I came back in this shit. This is all new to me. But this is some good shit right here. I'm gonna keep that to the side because might wanna dig in the bill money again. Next you got a quick start guide, which who fucks reads this? Nobody reads this shit here. Like literally. I use that when some shit fuck up. Next we got the some shit we don't need. We don't need that. My focus is jacked up right now, bro. Okay. Alright, so I guess this is the little warranty or whatever. Definitely gonna well the shit that I'm doing, I probably void the shit out of the warranty, so that's something to look to in case you wanna, you know what I'm saying, you wanna put warranty on your shit. So next, what we got is we got a couple decals. That's pretty cool that they threw that in there. A couple decals on it. Even though this body is for sale, if you want the body, comment down below. I'm probably gonna sell it for very cheap. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably put it on eBay, let somebody bid on it, but that chassis right there is for sale. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, okay, so I guess they put extra transmission gear. It says gear option. It says gear option. Come on, focus, fool. Okay, it says optional gear set. So I'm guessing this is just extra shit that I don't need. Because like I said, man, I am making a race application with this motor, so all this stock shit and all this probably either gonna go in a bin for later on or whatever, or get sold. I don't know. That. What is this? What is this? No idea what that is. No idea what that is. I guess I gotta go back and read the goddamn instructions. I have no idea what this is either. It's like a piece of fucking foam or whatever. But nice little janky toolkit. You know what I'm saying? Look like it's straight out of Harbor Freight. You know, trash. Don't nobody want that. Charger. Damn, look at this, man. Listen. Last time I bought an RC car, bro, the fucking charger was like the size of an Xbox. I promise you. This shit has changed, man. I'm so happy that I got back into this shit, man, because I'm just like so flabbergasted at all this new shit that they got, man. Body clips, body mounts, clips, plastic pieces, shit like that. I'll probably go through that shit later on. Alright, so down to the nitty gritty, man. Let's go, man. So here is the Traxxas Slasher 2-wheel drive. Yeah, beautiful built car, man. I'm telling you, it's like way fucking, it's way bigger than I thought. We were in a store and we seen like a big ass 10 scale RC car, and the dude in the store was like, "No, that truck is the one that you got is smaller than the one that you looking at," and that shit was totally not true. This is big, bro, huge. So let's pull the clips. Let's get right into the inside. Like I said, drop a like down below, comment, subscribe. I will be dropping videos every day. Like I said, I have no filter, so I apologize if I cuss too much. Whatever. That's just my personality. You know what I'm saying? So that being said, man, let's get into the inside of this bitch. Pull the clips. Pull the clips. Oh, sorry, y'all can't see me. Pull the clips. Oh shit! I almost dropped the camera. All right, so that's the body. Like I said, nice body, nice little color scheme. Traxxas. Body is for sale. This body is, I don't know if I want to use this for like testing purposes. So when my new body do get here, y'all don't know what it is yet. But I promise you, promise you, it's gonna be a piece of work. Candy paint, baby. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna tell y'all what kind of car it's gonna be, but be ready. You know what I'm saying? Be ready, boy. Be ready. A lot of ass whoopings. A lot of ass whoopings. But yeah, this is the body. It's gonna be on sale. We put that on eBay tonight. Well built. Yeah. Oh shit. I just dropped the shit all on the floor, bro. What's going on? So, with that being said, man, let's look into the components of this car. This ESC right here actually looks familiar because I built the car back in, like I said, that car that I told you I found in my grandmother's house. I needed to replace the ENC. The fucking motor in the damn thing was probably about, this was like fucking, what, 10 years ago? And the motor prior to that, prior to me finding it, that motor had to have been at least 15, 20 years old. I promise you. Antique. And I still probably got it. Let me put the camera down a little bit. But yeah, so we got, like I said, this is a well-built truck, man, and I understand why people try to build this application. Oh, I'm sleepy, bro. I am sleepy. So I'm not gonna get off into this right now, but I'm gonna read this probably later on because it's probably telling me how to set up my suspension or whatever. I'm gonna read that later. Nice little battery in this boy. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go to the store. I gotta get some batteries because I'm not gonna be able to run this tonight because I have no. Hold on. Why is the front end supposed to be that loose like that? Or is it just me? Do I gotta tighten something up? I believe the box said ready to run, so I don't know. It could be something different or whatever, but that's just me. Those shocks just feel like real fucking flimsy. Yes. Alright, so I'm back. My daughter wanted some ice cream. But yeah, man, this is, like I said, this is a well-built cart. Too bad it's not gonna look like this too long. Because actually I'm tearing this boy apart as parts come in. The bottom part, very beautiful. Oh shit, it got some weight to it too. Definitely got some weight to it. Yeah, man. This is part 1 of the Traxxas drag build. I promise you guys the next video is going to be more detailed, more organized. I'm going to have a little better lighting or whatever, but this is just something. I had the camera sitting around. I'm like, fuck it. Let me record this. Let me put this on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll get some subscribers. Maybe y'all will mess with me. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, man, my name is Deshaun M. Man, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button down below. Make sure y'all come back for more daily content. And like I told y'all, I don't know shit about the RC drag world. So if you are in that world, insights down below. Let me know what to do. Send me a message. All my social media be in the description.